Welcome to Yeeflow. In this video, we will explore the functionality of flow line connectors and condition settings in Yeeflow Workflow Designer. Flow line connectors serve the purpose of linking various nodes together, while condition settings determine the direction of the workflow, which is the key to creating an approval workflow. Now, let's open the Workflow Designer. Drag an assignment task node onto the canvas and connect it to the Start node. Name the node Line Manager Approval and configure the task assignee and select the task form. This is the starting point of our workflow. Next, drag in an End with Rejection node and connect it to the Line Manager Approval node. Now let's select this flow line connector. Click on the Settings button. Click on the Condition Editor button in the right panel to open the Condition Editor window. Click on the Add Condition button and select Rejected from the drop-down option that pops up, which will automatically add a condition that the result of the task is rejected. Next, let's drag two more assignment nodes behind the Line Manager Approval node. These nodes will be named Department Head Approval and CFO Approval respectively. We will then configure the task assignee for each node and select the task form accordingly. Finally, we will connect the Line Manager Approval node to both of these task nodes. We select the flow line connector between the Department Head Approval node and the Line Manager Approval node and open the Condition Editor window. Click the Add Condition button, select Approved. Then select Customize Condition and set the condition to rate of profit less than 0.2. Then check the line connecting the CFO Approval node and the Line Manager Approval node and set the condition to Approved and rate of profit greater than or equal to 0.2. This means that when the rate of profit is less than 0.2, only the department head needs to approve it, and when the rate of profit is greater than or equal to 0.2, the CFO will approve it. Another way to accomplish the same operation is to use an inclusive gateway node. Drag the inclusive gateway node to the canvas and connect it to the Line Manager Approval node. Select this flow line connector and set the condition to Approve, which means that when the Line Manager approves, the approval form will flow to the inclusive gateway node and the condition will determine the next step in the workflow. Then, connect the Department Head Approval node and the CFO Approval node to the inclusive gateway node. Set the conditions as rate of profit less than 0.2 and rate of profit greater than or equal to 0.2 respectively. This will achieve the same outcome. Finally, drag an End node and connect it with the Department Head Approval and CFO Approval nodes. Once the node is set up, let's publish the workflow and submit the approval form to demonstrate different approval scenarios. First, submit an approval form. The approval workflow will then proceed to the Line Manager Approval node. If the Line Manager rejects it, the workflow will terminate. However, if the Line Manager approves it and the rate of profit is greater than or equal to 0.2, the approval workflow will be assigned to the CFO for approval. The workflow will complete once the CFO approval is approved. His is a detailed introduction to the flow line connector of Yeeflow Workflow Designer and its condition settings. With this feature, you can effortlessly create complex approval workflows and determine the workflow direction based on various conditions. For more tutorials on Yeeflow, please continue to follow our channel. Thank you for watching.